Hey guys, happy Friday afternoon. If you're watching this on the replay, comment replay, I wanted to take a second to show you how easy it is to make your whole house smell good in a non-toxic way. It will also save you money. Yesterday I posted about a blend I was using for my living room that just made me feel peaceful and cheerful, calm, and you can pretty much do that in any room of your house, and there's so many different options. So I want to show you the easy way that I do that. So I have my one of my favorite diffusers here. This is the Desert Mist diffuser. We actually have at least 3 of these. My daughter has one in her room and we have one in our bedroom. This one's in my kitchen/dining room, and then we also have a different one in our living room. And then the kids have a sound machine one in theirs. So this is a Desert Mist diffuser. This is basically the outer shell. I've unplugged it. The plug is like right behind the phone, but you just plug it in here. So all I do is I just take off the outside, and then this is what's underneath. And then this thing comes off, and then basically there's just a little hole in here. And then this is the ultrasonic plate, how the diffuser runs. So all I do is I take my oils, whatever I'm going to use. So in the kitchen, I like to do fresh scents. I really like to do Citrus Fresh. It's one of my favorites by itself. Citrus Fresh is a blend of orange, tangerine, lemon, mandarin orange, grapefruit, and spearmint. So a lot of really good oils. So this is the one I like to use in my kitchen. There's lots of other good ones too. Lemon is another really good one. So I'm going to take my Citrus Fresh oil, and I'm going to put, I have a big room, so I'm going to put about 8 drops. For our bedrooms, we use about 4 drops, and in the living room I use about 10. We have a huge living room. So it just kind of depends on how big your room is and how much smell you want. So I'm going to do 8 for the living room and the kitchen. So I just put that in. Then you just fill up water. There is a line right inside here, so you know where to stop. And then you put the top back on, and then this piece back on, and then I'm gonna plug it in. Now when I normally do this, the diffuser kind of just stays where it's at. If I can find the plug under here. The diffuser just stays where it's at, so I just dump the water and the oils in. And then I'm going to show you how it looks. See if I can turn this around mid-video. Here we go. So I've got it sitting here. So I'm just going to turn it on. And then this one actually has 3 settings. So you could run it for 5 or 6 hours. The second setting is 8 hours, and the third setting is 10 hours. And there's just a button on the back here. And then this one's got several different light options also. My favorite, oops, I turned it off. This is the candle flicker setting, which is what we usually use in our bedroom at night. And then it's got red, orange, yellow, green, blue, dark blue, and like a purple, pink color. So, or you can have no color if you just want it to run with no light. That will work too. So super simple way. So that's what I like to use in the kitchen, the Citrus Fresh or the lemon. If you want to make your living room smell good, one of my favorite combos for the living room is, set this back here so I can have both hands, is Stress Away and Peppermint together. Stress Away has kind of a vanilla type scent, and Peppermint's just really refreshing. So these two together, they almost smell like a Thin Mint cookie, and it just has that like really relaxing vibe plus a little bit of energetic cooling. So it's just really good combo together for the living room. One of my favorite combos for sleeping is lavender and Peace and Calming. Peace and Calming is a blend of a lot of different oils, and then of course lavender is just lavender. So I stick these two together, and you can do just equal amounts of each. And yeah, there's tons of different combos, of course hundreds of oils, but those are some of my favorites. And all of these, if you have the premium starter kit, all these plus 6 more oils come in that kit with the diffuser. So if you have that, there's tons of different options for diffusing. If you use your diffuser and you make your house smell good, comment and tell me what is your favorite diffuser blend, especially if you have like a certain room, like if you like a certain smell for your kitchen or for your sleeping, whatever you like, tell us in the comments so we we can all kind of share ideas. With hundreds of oils, there's just lots of options, so it's nice to get some new ideas. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope your house smells as good as mine. Bye.